So certified here about to taste it. The Truenorth Seltzer energy drink, grapefruit lemonade flavor. Smell like grapefruit. Don't taste like grapefruit. This is not that good. Kind of tastes like I'm tasting a peeling or something like that. I wouldn't recommend this. And I got a 4-pack. Might use the rest of those for target practice because I don't see myself drinking more of this. This is a 1.5 or 1 out of 10. I don't really like it. Let me know if you drink these because these aren't it for me. Drop some comments down below. Share. Let me know what you think, guys. Till next